Hello everyone, welcome to Focal Point. This is the question that was asked in GATE 2017, and it says that consider the following C program and what will be the output of it. So let's see what is happening here. So this is our main function. So this is our stack area and we have called our main function in here. So in here we have taken an integer, a variable m, and initialized with 10, and we have taken two more variables of type integer and we have not initialized it. So right now carbon value will be there. Okay, now I'm going to update the value of n. So what is the meaning of plus m? So this is pre-increment. So in here m value will also be updated because the value of this is m is equals to m plus 1. Okay, so this value will be updated to by 1 and this value will be copied in n. Okay, and what is happening in here in n1, m plus plus will be copied. So what is the meaning of this? This is post increment. Post increment says that this statement will be executed. After that the value of m will be incremented. Okay, so first the value of n will be copied inside the n1 and then this value will be updated to 12. Okay, so this is the meaning of this. The meaning of this pre-increment is first the value of m will be incremented from 10 to 11 and then our 11 will be copied inside the n. And what is the meaning of this post increment? Post increment says that value of n will be incremented after the execution this statement. Now what is happening in here? This is post in decrement. The value will be decremented in here by 1 and this is the pre-decrement, so this value will also be decremented by 1. Okay, what is the meaning of this statement? That is n is equals to n minus ka n1. Okay, so what is the value of n minus n1? That is 10 minus 10, that is 0. So this value will be updated to 0. Now we are going to print the value of n, so that means the output will be 0. So output of this will be 0. So 0 will be printed in here. So this is the answer of it. Thank you so much.